Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you use Outlook for work, school, or team projects, today's video is going to save you time and boost your collaboration. I'm going to show you exactly how to join an Outlook group step by step. In just a few clicks, no confusion, no tech jargon, just a simple guide you can follow right away. Let's jump straight in. First things first, open your preferred web browser and go to the Outlook login page. Click sign in, then enter your email and password. If you've enabled two-factor authentication, make sure to complete that step too. And here's a quick tip. Double check your credentials before logging in to avoid any sign-in issues later on. Once you're signed in, you'll land right in your Outlook mailbox. This is your central hub where you can manage your emails, calendar, and most importantly, your Outlook groups. Now, on the left-hand side panel, look for groups. Click on it and then select Discover Groups. If you don't see it right away, don't worry. Sometimes Outlook hides it under dropdowns or expanded menus depending on your layout or update version. Next, use the search bar to find the group you want to join. You can type in a group name or even a keyword related to your department, project, or interest. Once you find the right one, click on it to view details like the group's purpose, members, and activity level. This helps you make sure it's the right group before joining. Some groups will let you in instantly, while others might need admin approval. If approval is required, don't worry. It usually gets processed quickly, and you'll get a notification once you're in. And that's it. You've successfully joined an Outlook group and are now ready to collaborate, share files, and stay updated with your team all in one place. If you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more Outlook and productivity tutorials, and drop a comment if you'd like me to cover how to create your own Outlook group next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.